Instagram broadcast channels allow creators to send one-way messages to their followers. This feature is available only for public, professional, or creator accounts with at least 1,000 followers. This tutorial outlines the steps to create a broadcast channel. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. On the home screen, tap the Messenger or Paper Airplane icon in the bottom menu to open your direct messages. In the direct messages section, tap the compose or pencil icon located in the top right corner. This allows you to start a new message or create a new communication space. From the list of available options, tap Channel. Instagram will then take you to the setup screen. Enter a name for your broadcast channel. Choose a name that matches your content or brand so your followers can easily recognize it. Next, choose your audience settings. You'll also have the option to show the channel on your profile and allow members to reply to messages. If you enable these options, your broadcast channel will appear on your Instagram profile, making it easier for followers to find and join, and members will be able to reply to messages you send. After reviewing your settings, tap Create in the top right corner of the screen. Instagram will create your broadcast channel instantly. Limitation: this feature is available only for public, professional, or creator accounts with at least 1,000 followers. Broadcast channels are one-way communication tools, meaning only the creator can send messages. This is best suited for creators who want to send updates, announcements, or exclusive content to their audience.